Zoom Events is a powerful, all-in-one event management platform. Event hosts can create immersive event experiences for their attendees, which are absolutely perfect for hosting multi-day and multi-session events. Zoom Events understands that event hosts need an event solution that can adapt to any scenario. Recurring session events are great for creating regularly repeating events or a series, like a weekly demo, employee onboarding, or leadership development training. Single session events allow you to take your Zoom meeting or webinar sessions to the next level, with branded landing pages, speaker bios, and lobby downloads. Zoom Events is a flexible and powerful platform that simplifies virtual experiences. Setup is easy. Your hub holds all upcoming, draft, and past events. Under Resources, you can find every recording made throughout any of your events. Your content library allows you to keep all of your event assets nice and organized. We also support bulk upload along with folders. The best events are run with a team. You can invite up to 4 additional teammates as hub hosts. These hosts can create, edit, and publish events on your hub. Easily create a hub listing page that can display your upcoming and past events, along with any recordings that you'd like to share with your audience. Now it's time to create an event. Start with one of our ready-to-go curated templates, or start from scratch. Unique experiences start here, with a variety of event types and attendee experiences available to you. Remain confident with the familiar and reliable Zoom Meetings and Webinars platform. Hybrid events are exciting, dynamic, and engaging, and now easier to execute than ever using Zoom Events. Your attendees can now use their mobile devices to check into your event, network with other attendees, and fully participate in sessions, all while using one of the most downloaded apps in the world, the Zoom mobile client. Our powerful branding features allow you to create events that truly reflect your brand, from your registration page to your attendee emails. Session creation is quick and enables you to provide promotional images, detailed descriptions, speaker bios, and downloadable materials. Your events license unlocks premium webinar features like resources, backstage, webinar breakout rooms, and in-session branding, all powerful ways to create meaningful engagement with your audience. And if broadcast-level production is what you're going for, Production Studio gives you a cloud-based, Zoom-powered video switcher that anyone can use. All of this engagement drives one of the most important parts of events, the data. Zoom Events offers robust analytics and reporting, including custom reports. As you can see, Zoom Events combines powerful event management tools with the seamless Zoom experience your attendees know and love, and that you can trust.